Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, and welcome to Perspective Plans. In today's video, we're going to be planning in my Every Minute Counts Dated Hourly Dashboard Planner, Neutral Edition for the month of August. So yeah, we're going to be doing a weekly plan with me. And if I can turn to the right page. And if you missed our August monthly plan with me, I'll leave that up above. But yeah, I think I am really digging the neutral stickers, truly. I do need to schedule some doctor appointments, so I hope to either start doing that this week or at least put it for next week's planner. But yeah. So now let's go ahead and get started with our plan. Let me grab my stickers. I want to add up another box because I do need to go to Ulta and pick up some things. Okay. Still using the summer fun colors because why the heck not? And this just says get lost in what you love, and I definitely love planning. So yeah, I think that fits. And I do love Ulta as well. Alright, so Ulta. I need to get some makeup primer. I'm not sure if I want to switch primers or if I want to get another one. But the primer I'm using right now is the pink one. It's like a marshmallow something from NYX. It's okay. It does the job, but I feel like there's other better primers out there. I just need to find them. So if you have any primer suggestions, let me know. Because it's not that it makes my makeup look bad, but I feel like it could look so much better with a better primer. And of course I need some mascara and lash glue. Oh, and I forgot to mention some makeup brush cleaner. Because right now I've been using La Roche-Posay on my makeup brushes because I typically break out from my makeup or just like having it on my face for too long because I have acne prone skin. So yeah, that's just the life I live in these streets. Let's see, life is so good. And I don't really know what I want to write for home, so we're just gonna leave that pretty sticker right there and focus on our to-dos instead. So we need to schedule some doctor's appointments for sure. Because I believe, yeah, I for sure need to go to the eye doctor and the dentist. Eye doctor. So like the optometrist, I think that's the official term, and then dentist for sure, because I need to get my teeth whitened. Then I need to make a stationary shopping list. That's a tongue twister. Make a stationary shopping list. Because as all the back to school supplies are still in the stores, I want to stock up on some pens and possibly some note paper just to have, or like printing paper, because I don't want to miss out on the deals. And as a person who loves stationery, this is my season to save. And then lastly, book a spa appointment because I'm starting to feel a bit burnt out from work, so I want something to rejuvenate me. Then I have the only errand I really need to do this week is drop off an Amazon package at UPS. It's either UPS or USPS. So I'm gonna double check before I leave because I don't want to go to the wrong place expecting them to take my package and they're like, no. go to the right place. So that's happened to me before, and it's so frustrating. But yeah, I think that's a pretty good place to leave it. Daily routine, we'll fill that in on Sunday. Same thing with motivation. Motivation. I don't have anything to push to next week, but I definitely am going to get started on scheduling some doctor's appointments. Hopefully I'll get blessed and not be told, we'll see you in 17 months. So wish me luck. All right, so we have a payday. Let me grab a payday sticker. Of course, we pre-stuck some sticky notes, as I love to do. And then I have brunch with my mama. So I want to do that and have a good time with her. And what else? Oh, I don't think I've ever used these. So let's do that for brunch with my mama. And I think 12 is a good time because sometimes it takes a little longer to get ready. Because I know when we did our Mother's Day brunch, we got to our reservation an hour past our reservation. But I do appreciate them still seating us promptly because, you know, it was Mother's Day. And sometimes these mothers take forever to get ready. And I definitely think that's what my mother was doing. Then visit the farmer's market. I really want to get some summer produce, so I'm hoping to get some really good stuff there. Because Louisiana is pretty prominent for growing strawberries, so I definitely know I'm gonna get some strawberries for sure. All right, so I have my team meeting at 1 on Monday. I don't think I've ever used like these bubbles, but they're cute. I should have used it for therapy because it's like a speech bubble and I'm talking. I'll do that for next time. Team meeting at 1 p.m. Let's see. And then here, if I can get this sticky note off the page. One-on-one. And I just remembered it's at 2, not 12 anymore. So one-on-one with Andrea. And that's at 2. I'm really trying not to misspell anything. Okay. So you have to track some videos here. Oh, let me grab my colorful pens so we can write in this content. So we have our weekly planner video, which is the video you're watching right now. So thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more amazing content like this. And of course, you can get this planner at perspectiveplans.com and also in print form at Amazon. And then we have our monthly planner video here on Sunday. And if you missed it, I'll be sure to link it up above. Then we also have Free Museum Day, which I'm really excited about. Podcast. Not sure what number we're on, so we're just gonna write it in and then fill it in as the week goes along. Video. Same thing for video, just writing number. And I'll write the exact number later on. Therapy at 2. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these Yeah, let's use, oh wait, that's green. It's the exact same green, so let's use this red one. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Yeah. Therapy. And I love that it perfectly fits in this little hourly slot. Therapy. Perfect. Looking good, looking great. Well planned. And this isn't really sticking back. Yeah, that kind of works. I'm trying to find a sticker to write Free Museum Day, and then we can decorate our page. And I love free stuff, so I'll probably be going because I think there's a new exhibit that I definitely want to check out, so I'm excited. All right, Free Museum Day, that's there. So now let's get into decorating. And then I have my payday. So of course I want to do my expense logs and pay some things off during that time of payday. Cute little bike. What else do we have? Grass, Hello Spring, I love the weekend. Oh, let's do flowers. I don't ever use flowers. I'm fine with this. Cute little scenes. And then this one with like the little flowers and stuff. And I'm gonna put these stripes in because sometimes you can also use it to make like a mini to-do list, just in case I overly fill these. So it'll be extra. Or if I need something to write the videos that I'll be recording down the week. It's a little right to do. And fill that in as we go. What else? Oh, I really like this tree with like florals. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Cute. And these girls on like the little picnic blanket. I do think I'm gonna have a summer picnic before summer's over, so I need to get to it. Because I don't want summer to pass me by without having a summer picnic, you know? So just making sure that I stay present in the moment. She can go here. I think for the rest, we're just gonna add florals, because why the heck not? Why not? Okay. Why flowers? Because. I think that's pretty much good because I don't want to overly fill it because I might still need to add extra stuff. So there we go. Looking cute, looking fun. Oh, let's take this other sticky note out. Oh. That must have been a week. Oh, this is from June. Oh, that's when I did House of the Dragon. Check that video out. I did House of the Dragon as well as Game of Thrones. I was like, why are these sticky notes in here? Yeah, because I did a digital instead. But yeah. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the very, very next one. This is very summery. And I need to take a summer picnic. Let me know if you're going to take a summer picnic too. But thanks so much for planning with me today. And remember to keep planning for what's to come. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.